You make some you get a general legal maxim, general legal principle. Tapos you just salpak it there as if it is a one-stop solution. Explain to us, how will you waive it? Di i-waive na lang nila lagi yan. That means there will be no rules anymore. Sipin mo, i-waive mo yung rules ng Senate na kung saan bago mo baguhin, kailangan mong dumaan sa proseso ng pagbabago wherein there will be also division of the House, tapos i-waive mo ng garon. Paano nila alam kung ano yung wini-waive mo na rule when you didn't even expressly tell them what rule you are waiving?